friends, I am Jigisha. Welcome to Jigisha's Dreamscape. Today's video is again a different try. I am going to be telling you which books you can read as a teenager, and also quick disclaimer, this is based on what books I have read. Also, if you want to add anything to this list, you can let me know down in the comment section. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first book I think that every children should actually read. This is not for teenagers. This is for children between 10 to 12 years old. They can read this book called as Great Stories for Children by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is a children's author, and his books contain short stories which are like really engaging and interesting. Some of these stories also have a short message at the end. So I like Ruskin Bond stories, and if you're like from 10 to 12 years old, you can absolutely read this book. The next book series that I suggest to read you is the Adventure series by Enid Blyton. So again, if you're a teenager, you can read the Secret 7 book and then go to the Famous 5 books written by Enid Blyton. I had also done the review of the Famous 5 book series in a video, so I will link it somewhere here. So click the I button and you'll get to the video. And these books are really wonderful. You'll get glued to the books once you start reading them. These are also really good if you want to increase your interest in reading books. The next book that I want to suggest is The Alchemist. Now, The Alchemist is a great book, but don't read it if you're a beginner in reading, because the starting of the book is pretty boring. The book gets very interesting afterwards, but if you're a beginner, you don't want to lose your interest in reading, so don't read this book right now. You can go for it afterwards. So The Alchemist is a book which tells about a shepherd and how he balances his personal life and the life of his dreams and passions, and what does he do to get there. So that is an amazing book. Also, one more book is How to Win Friends and Influence People. This book has like some tips. This book had some tips about how you can win friends and all. This is a really good book. I have just started reading this book, but I recommend this to all of you. The next book that I want to suggest to you all is The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. So actually, Anne Frank was a 13-year-old girl, and she had written this diary during the Second World War. And you will be stunned after seeing what all the incidents she had faced and how she expresses it all to her diary. And that diary is actually like her friend during those hard times. So it is a really great book. If you want to read it, you can definitely go for it. I had read the Marathi version, but I think you should read the original one. I am going to read it soon because the grammar and all, it differs from the original one. Also, after that, I want to definitely recommend you reading the George series. The first book from this series is George's Secret Key to the Universe. Also, let me tell you my experience. Two of my friends wanted to read this book because it was like we had a review of this book in our syllabus. So two of my friends wanted to read this book. I gave this book to them, and then they took the whole George series of 6 books and read it. So these books are very interesting if you want to read them. So these were the books that I think that you all should read as a teenager and as children too. Also, if you want to develop your interest in reading, you can start by the Adventure series by Enid Blyton, or after that you can read Secret 7, Famous 5. Also, George series is a good start. So also, many people recommend reading Harry Potter, but I have not read Harry Potter yet because like some of my friends have read it and they are like completely addicted to it. I have not read it yet, but I think they are definitely great books too. And one more book that people recommend is The Fault in Our Stars. I haven't read that kind of books yet, but yeah, you can go for it. And these are the books that I wanted to tell you about. So hope you liked the video, and the next video is coming soon, so stay tuned.